अगर आप इतना बड़ा संगठन मेरे राज्य में चला रहे हो तो आपको रजिस्ट्रेशन करना पड़ेगा, या तो आके बोलना पड़ेगा कि किस कानून के तहत आप ये सारे काम कर रहे हैं. Why is and I don't care. See, the Dalits in BJP are subservient to the RSS. It is very clear, the language, the way he says, Dalits should not question RSS. Why? Dalits are not part of the society. Dalits are not part of the constitution. And who is anybody to tell me what to question or not to question? As an individual, I have my rights. And as the Home Minister of Karnataka, I am very careful in what I am saying. अगर आप इतना बड़ा संगठन मेरे राज्य में चला रहे हो तो आपको रजिस्ट्रेशन करना पड़ेगा, या तो आके बोलना पड़ेगा कि किस कानून के तहत आप ये सारे काम कर रहे हैं. Why is and I don't care about what Mr. Ramesh Jigajinagi or anybody else has to say about it. I am duty bound, I am constitutionally bound. Whether I am a Dalit or anybody else, I have equal rights as much as Mr. Mohan Bhagwat has.
Well, sir, your letter has initiated a debate across the country. Now, the senior advocates like Mahesh Jigajinagi, our own...
why are advocates talking? Are they mouthpieces of RSS? Are they mouthpieces of RSS? I have asked a very clear question to an organization as a Home Minister. They better come and answer to me. You want to send them? Let them come. Designate them. No, what is this nonsense of writing editorials, writing on Twitter, giving your opinion there, here? Doesn't matter to me. I have written to an organization. Let the organization depute anybody. I am not saying you depute X, Y, Z. You depute APC also, have no problem. But आके officially क्या है? उत्तर दीजिए. आपके letterhead पे उत्तर दीजिए. letterhead है उनके पास. Your organization has a letterhead, no? रजिस्टर्ड है ना आपका? आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से 10 गुना है वो. उनके पास लेटरेट नहीं है. So let them come, talk to us, tell us. No sir, this is how we are doing things. This is the constitutional provision in this. Please don't let loose your slaves to discuss with me. I'm not going to discuss this with any lawyer. I'm not going to discuss this with any BJP. I'm not going to answer anybody. They are answerable to me.